Hi everyone, here is very interesting video. I will show you how to install unfinished engineering hardwood floor on stairs. Stairs with one open side, with double open side, and also there is already with rails posts, which is sometimes very hard to do. Install the threads and risers. But I will show you some tricks how to do it. Let's go to start. First of all, what I'm doing threads. So I'm taking few boards and glue it together and tape it. So also, if it's not enough two boards, I put another little piece on the back side and then put some glue and nails. Here is already make bunch of it for whole stairs, and now I am cutting a riser from 1/4 inch plywood. This is the white oak veneer, and whole hardwood it's white oak. Now I'm using stair jig. This is professional tools. If you want to find out this tool, you can I can put link in description for this video. It's Amazon, you can find on Amazon. So very easy to check whole angles, because it's not stairs not perpendicular and need to sometimes angle make it out, sometimes in, sometimes one in, another one out. That's why this tools is really needed when you're doing stairs to make whole riser and thread precise. Now I'm installing top nosing. This top nosing, it's a little bit harsh to do it, because this nose with L shape and that side very small and need to do it very precise. You see the main floor I already installed, and before I did this main floor installation, I made template of size of this nosing and install some small piece of riser, and then I nailed this template to the staircase and start whole main floor from this template. That's why when I start this nosing installation, and it's exactly fit, no gap, this it exactly dimension what we needed. So this is the trick. You can do it, because sometimes guys doing installation, they start from the wall. When they come to the nosing side, to the stairs, there is a need to install between nosing and floor some little small strip. If you install this little strip, it will be looks very ugly. That's why all installation you have to start. If we have stairs, we have nosing, it should be from the nosing full board. You have to start from exactly full board from the nosing. This is the rule. Now I'm preparing this small return to this L-shaped nose. This not exactly triangle, it's some with some shape, because there is already installed stringers, or it's called sideboards, and that sideboards very wide. That's why need to install return not only triangle, but there is some little shape to cover this corner with stringer. When I'm gluing nosing, I am using construction glue, and I'm using wood glue. Wood glue, I'm gluing nosing to the floor. Construction glue I'm gluing this nosing to the subfloor. So if you're not using a wood glue, just using the construction glue, when construction glue will dry, anyway between nosing and main floor will be some movement, and you will see the crack. It can be, cracking and make some noise. So always when you glue in nosings to the thread or to the main floor, use wood glue. So now I'm showing you how to do double side stair. First of all, we need to know how wide it should be thread. That's why I put riser and then I put front nosing and make marks, and now I know how wide the thread. Then I'm using template. It's exactly side of the nose. I make mark on the side over the thread to know exactly dimension of this thread, and then pre-cut the thread. So very simple things need to do. This is I'm doing for side noses. It's I call bird tail for return. So when I put thread, then I put side nosing, hold it with nails, and then pre-cut exactly front nosing. So when it's fit, I use flooring glue. It's Bostik glue. Glue first of all riser, and then I glue thread and nosing. Don't forget, when you gluing to the thread noses, put wood glue, and also use nails. If I'm doing unfinished floor, I'm using 18 gauge because when guys sanding this floor and put filler, they fill up whole holes. But if I'm doing pre-finish hardwood flooring, I'm using 23 gauge nails. That nails, very small, and you can see any holes. You don't have to spend time to fill up these holes. So this is I made a return. So it's almost complete. In this video I'm just not showing you how to cover sides, open sides of riser, because I didn't make any video how to do it exactly in this place, because this side pieces we installing after, when whole floor is sanding and coloring and finish it. But I have video. You can have a look how to cover this open side of risers. I'll make link on for you. On the stairs already was installed posts for rails. In ideal, need to undercut this post around approximately ½ inch under, to slide thread and nosing under this post. But sometimes you can cut too much, sometimes can make it damage, and I just cut left side and back side to slide thread and slide the side nosing. Also, I want to show you how to do L-shape stairs. So very simple. So install first of I am installing riser, and then I installing thread and nosing. So for measuring side nose, I'm using template what I made from the scrap. So I just let when you ask me why I'm doing riser first and then I put thread, not put riser overlap to the thread. So I'm doing it to avoid any gaps between thread and riser, and also it looks beauty, I don't know. So everybody doing their own ways. This another stairs with two sides open, but here is it's little more trouble because it's already two posts installing, not one post, two posts, and post little bit far from the thread, and we have gap between thread and posts. That's why I slide two pieces in, then I cut straight from nosing from post to posts, then install sideboard side nosings, and make it looks beauty. Some little gaps what we have between that little piece what I put under the post, I fill up with glue and this wood dust. When you fill in with glue and wood dust some little gaps, it looks much better if you put, you know, filler. It's not visible exactly same color, no any problem, you see. So very simple installation. I hope its video was very helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.